The last few things now that the bike is running that I gotta wrap up are the seat with the gas tank on and the tail light. So my buddy Nate made this mount for the tail light here, just out of some tubing and some plate. So that's gonna be it there. Now I'm not sure how it's gonna work out with a rear fender, because I'm definitely gonna be putting one on, because I think Nicole's gonna need one. So it's, you know, if it was just me riding this bike, I probably wouldn't put a rear fender on it, but because Nicole's gonna be riding it, I think it's probably a good idea. I'm just gonna get the seat on there loose and get this nice and straight, tack it in place. And you know, this bike's gonna be pretty much ready to go for a test ride. And then to get the safety done on it, I don't think it really needs very much else. So I'm gonna get to welding this in and getting the seat on there. Let's go. All right, so I got everything done here. The one side of the seat's sitting a little bit high, this side here, so I'll just have to kind of adjust the mounts a little bit. Taillight's looking real nice back there. Got the back of this bike all wrapped up. So, and then while the paint's drying, I'll throw the tank on and do all that. So, here we go. Let me get this cleaned up and get painted. The next thing that I have to do is mount the license plate holder. So this is just one off of Amazon here. It's gonna fit real nice. If I just go off the lower shock mount, then it's gonna sit real nice between the wheel and the exhaust there. Might need to move this guy out of the way a little bit, but we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna get into that. All right, so this bike is pretty much done. I just, you know, quickly put the side covers back on, bolted the seat down, tank's done, brakes are on, everything's good. So I'm gonna take it out to see if I can get a safety on it, and then we'll be on the road. Finally got this bike on the road. So I built this bike for my wife, Nicole. Hey, Nicole.
Hi.
Okay, so tell me about the acronyms, baby.
Okay, so knife, it's kickstand, neutral, ignition, fuel, engine.
Yeah.
Now walk me through it.
Okay.
I'm ready. Kickstand, neutral, ignition, turn on, kill switch.
So that's the kill switch there. So okay. I'll put a little R and a little whatever. So this is on. That's on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so right now it's warm, so you don't need to worry about the choke. Okay.
Yep. And then I start it. Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm really happy for it. It's a pretty fun bike to build, and she did the course and really liked it, so I really hope she likes riding this motorcycle, because I want to go riding with her, and I'm just really excited. Oh, here she comes.
Woo! That was good!
I'm so happy for you, babe.
Yeah.
Just riding off into the sunset there. So, what do you think? Are you happy?
I'm very happy. It's,
Like,
this is like the perfect first bike, for sure.
it's so good.
Yeah.
It's so good,
it's gonna
right?
be so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.